Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into something that can completely revolutionize the way you approach design thinking. Whether you're a brand designer, product designer, or just someone who loves to create, understanding. Design thinking can unlock your creative potential like never before. So what exactly is design thinking? It's a problem-solving methodology used to understand users, challenge assumptions, redefine problems, and create innovative solutions to prototype and test. Sounds fancy, right? But trust me, it's all about making the design process more human-centered and intuitive. First up, empathize. Now, this is about understanding the people you're designing for. Dive deep into their world, conduct interviews, observe their behavior, and really listen to their needs and pain. It's all about gaining insights that you can translate into design solutions. Next, define. Now that you have all this empathy data, it's time to synthesize it. Identify the core problems your users face. Create a clear problem statement that will guide your design process. Think of it as your North Star. Then, ideate. This is where the magic happens. Brainstorm as many ideas as possible without any judgment. Quantity over quality at this stage. And get wild, get creative, and don't hold back. The crazier the idea, the better. You never know which spark will ignite the fire. After that, prototype. Take your best ideas and turn them into tangible products. These don't have to be perfect. In fact, they shouldn't be. Think sketches, models, or even digital mock-ups. The goal is to bring ideas to life and start getting feedback. Finally, test. Share your prototypes with real users and gather their feedback. This stage is crucial for refining your designs. Don't be afraid of criticism. It's a goldmine for improvement. Iterate based on what you learn and keep refining. Design thinking is all about cycling through these stages: empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and test iteratively. It's a flexible and dynamic way to approach design challenges. And trust me, it will push your creative boundaries and lead to more innovative and user-centered solutions. So go out there and start applying design thinking to your projects. Tap into that creative potential. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more insights. Until next time, keep creating. So.